Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can message on Badoo app, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your Badoo app on your phone. Make sure you have signed in and created your profile successfully. Now if you go to your simply chat section, you're gonna find there is nobody, right? So for that, and it shows you keep swiping. So for that, we're gonna go to our home section and we're gonna simply swipe them to our right so we can get a match. So if they like me back again, then it will be a match. Simply swiping them to your right. Once you have got a mutual match for you, then you will be able to go to your chat section. You're gonna find the matches right over there. You simply tap on their profile and you can write them whatever message you would prefer. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.